Somebody was playing awfully rough today.
Hey, baby.
What's those noises in the back room?
We just heard some really loud noises and then I went back to investigate. Was it you? Huh? Was it you? Come check this out with me. It's kind of dark in the house. Oh, glowing lights. Was it you? Are you the criminal? Huh? Was it you? Look at this, folks. Their cat house is completely knocked over. That's what the loud noise was that we heard. Kaboom! I thought someone hit their head on a cupboard door or something. Was it you, Flu? Was it you? Was it you? Huh? I love you, my Flu. Fine. Don't look at me. Just keep on walking. Walk of shame. Walk of shame. Walk of fluffy shame. Still walking. Still walking in the walk of shame. Oh, and baby's hiding too now, huh? All the criminals have fled the scene.
You're all guilty.
Bye. Back to the scene of the crime. Did you come back to the scene of the crime, baby?
Man, someone was playing hard, huh?
Hardball. Here, let Daddy get that for you. Oh, what a good girl.
Boy, oh boy, what a mess.
Yeah. Okay. Bye, baby. See ya.